Crude oil WTI achieving the lower lows at 72.6 has seen a good reversal, now trading close to 74.8 levels. Likewise, NG has shown a sharp drop, taking it close to 3.6. Now, what to expect? Is this the bottom for oil and NG and they are going to reverse? Which position you should take today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on crude oil WTI will be released before the US cash session. So do watch that also. Also remember, we have almost 14-15 hours of trading left for the day because market has just started and these two can show you good swings, and hence what should be your strategy. Once you take an entry as per the prescribed or mentioned levels, you should also close it at a profit level which is a good resistance zone and keep re-entering so that you can preserve your capital. So this is how you should trade. Let's start. First we'll look into crude oil WTI, followed with natural gas. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels. Now these are the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, certainly 75.5 zone is giving it a good resistance. And see the hourly charts, the lows are very well within this support line. The highs are also very well aligned to this. So this is trying to trade in this channel, and there is a possibility that it can find a region to retrace till towards 75.5, 76.4 and in fact 76.8, 77 levels. There is a possibility, though it is still bearish and it is still not much downside to cover. Now see, first thing is lower lows are seen yesterday, 72.6 levels, and if you see this, what it may try to do is it may try to confine its movement within these levels, and hence you should buy only at 75.5 levels today. Beyond 75.5 you can expect little more bullishness which might take it for 76.2, 76.5, and then beyond that more bullishness can be expected till towards 77. Directional movement here is bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD is bullish, RSI is also looking upwards, but this is on the hourly charts which can change every hour. Now look at the 2-hour charts, resistance zone, and if you look at the zone here, see lower lows are seen. That is one part to it. Lower lows are seen, lower highs can be expected. So I'll wait for it to break past this zone at 75.2. 75.5 is a good entry for you. Beyond 75.5 only you can expect it to trade bullish. At the same time, see on the downside, 74 levels are the support levels. So rather I will say 73.8, 73.5. In between this zone, that is 73.5 and 75.5, you need to exercise extra caution. Directional movement bearish, it is trying to converge. Stochastic looking upwards, MACD bullish, RSI showing strength. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts here. On the 3-hour charts, interesting observation here is 73.5, 73.8 levels, which is definitely a very good support zone, because below that you can expect 73.5 and below this you can expect further drop. On the upside there is a support also at 74.5. Right now it is looking forward to achieve this zone, and it appears it is trying to trade in this box, and a possibility of it to break past this box exists. If it does, it can rise till towards 76.5, in fact 77, which is going to be the next stronger resistance zone. Directional movement bearish trying to converge, stochastic looking upwards, MACD has crossed over, this is divergent and this is bullish here. RSI is looking upwards showing strength. And if you look at 4-hour chart, now look at 4-hour charts, 73.4, 73.6, this is the zone that is where it has got maximum support. So now the building has got its base and it is trying to retrace. Yes, it has to break past this 75.5, 75.2 levels, beyond which you can expect that it is going to fly high. So yes, you can buy at 75.2 levels today, beyond which you can expect that there could be little more bullishness, and you can sell at 74.5, below which you can expect 74, and rather I will say you can sell at 74, below which you can expect 73.5, and below which you can expect further drop. In between 74 and 75.2 levels, I will not recommend you to take any position. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking upwards, MACD trying to converge, RSI looking upwards. So possibly we are looking forward to a bullish day for crude oil today. Now look at the daily chart. The next candle here is yet to start, but look at the previous candle. Yes, it has achieved lower lows, and if it closes flat, possibly the next candle might take it till towards 77. So achieving the lows, it is trying to retrace. So what we can expect here is lower highs like this, lower lows, and possibility for it to 76.5, 77 levels is high. Direction movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD has crossed over and it is divergent and it is still bearish. RSI looking down here. Considering this, for the day you can sell at 74 and buy at 75.2. In between these $1.2, do not trade. Above 75.2, target is 75.5, 76.2, and then 76.5, 77 levels. Till 77, it has got very good resistance. Only above 77, you can expect little bullishness. On the downside, sell at 74, but then expect 73.6 to 73.4. This is the strong support zone. Only below 73.4 for the bearishness to be seen, where you can expect 73 and 72 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, join my mentorship batch starting on 9th of January. This is the 18th batch. Do not miss this opportunity. Equip yourself with the right tools and techniques to trade in order to trade profitable. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Now see, NG consolidated here, and again sharp drop has been seen. It is retraced and now trying to reverse again. So yes, it is definitely acting bearish. However, only sell entry is below 3.64 levels, and the support at 3.6 and 3.55 is very strong. So I'll wait for it to break past this zone in order to trade bearish. So I'll recommend you to stay away till 3.6 levels are respected. Now if you recall my weekly analysis where we had talked about 3.6 levels, which is definitely a good support. Directional movement bearish, stochastic near to overbought looking downwards, MACD trying to cross over for the buy, RSI is still near to oversold zone. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at drop, retracement, again looking forward to a drop. Yes, a buy position can be taken beyond 3.72 and a sell position below 3.64. For this $0.8, I will recommend you to stay away. So 3.64, rather 3.6 and 3.72, in between this $1, you should not take any trade. Directional movement bearish, stochastic trade rising from the oversold zone, MACD bearish trying to converge, RSI trading at bottom. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour charts, yes, even if it tries to retrace, possibly we can expect 3.9 levels now to be the stronger resistance zone. And anyways, 3.6 is a very good support. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD is bearish trying to converge, and RSI is still trading near to the bottom, near to oversold zone. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, here you will find 20 period moving average at $4 levels, which is definitely a very good resistance. Now look at the 4-hour charts also. Here it is showing a reversal candle, and I will wait for the next candle which might take it above 3.72, and then you can expect a bullish move which might take it till towards 3.8, 3.9 zone. So yes, till the time NG trades above 3.65, one can remain bullish. That should be the ideal comment here. Only below 3.65, you can expect that it may show you bearishness. So for the day, till the time it trades above 3.65, possibly you can stay long for 3.7 to 75, 3.8 and below above levels. In fact, it can go till towards 3.9. On the downside, below 3.6, only you can expect that it is going to drop heavily. So you can sell at 3.64 and expect it to drop for 3.6. $0.4 you'll gain here. Below 3.6 it is going to crash further till towards 3.54, 3.5 levels, which is the next stronger support levels. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. We have seen the levels already on the daily charts. Certainly lower highs, lower lows, and the next candle is yet not started. Possibly the next candle can also be further bearish. You need to stay cautious, stay alert, and till 3.7, 3.8 levels, in fact till 3.9 it can reverse again on the downside, and hence you should exercise extra caution. See, markets have just started. US cash session is still 10 hours ahead, or after 10 hours it will start, and hence which will bring you little more volatility. It can swing either which ways, and hence if you are taking a bullish position, you should trade with a stop loss at 3.65. You should enter now. However, remember, till 3.8, 3.9 it can reverse again and crash. So be cautious. On the downside, you can sell at 3.64, but expect 3.6 as the maximum support, and below that you can again expect a good drop for 3.54 and 5 levels, and below that further it can drop. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.